Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and now let's enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see now, you can come along with IMEI number, like both of them, and also serial number assigned to your Xiaomi. So smoothly enter this short code and then read the numbers, click on OK to go back, and then you can also open both numbers through the settings. So at first let's open the settings, which are here, and then go to the About phone. It's the first tab. Now under Status you will find both IMEI numbers, and then under Model and Hardware you can read your serial number. So this is it. That's how you can smoothly and easily locate and come along with your IMEI numbers and also serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.